Okay, Ryan, tell us what you're doing.
We're gonna give him some rice cereal. Here. Look at his face. Here. Hey, you want some more, buddy?
He's like, what is that plastic thing in your mouth?
What a face!
You want some more? You gonna try to eat some more?
Why did you choose to use a plastic spoon?
Because I couldn't find any other spoons. It's the only spoon I could find. Yeah. His face. Want some more? He won't open his mouth.